Hi everyone, and welcome again to St. George Church website tutorials. And this tutorial, this one is purely for website IT administrators. So this is an IT function that website administrators will be using. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add plugins to the website. The website is built in on top of a system called WordPress. And it makes it very easy and simple to add any kind of add-ons or plugins to make the site more useful and functional. So let's get started with this tutorial and show you how to how to add new functions. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom here and log into the website just like you would to post content. Just click on admin, enter the administrative username and password that we'll provide to you, and log in. And once you log in, you're going to be going to the dashboard. So I want you to scroll to the bottom left here. You're going to find things like right here. You're going to see appearance, themes, where you can actually edit the themes. There's plugins. That's the part we're going to talk about. I'm going to expand that. You're going to see installed, add new, editor, and then users to manage users, tools, additional tools, and settings, which is other settings. It's helpful to go through that and click through. You can't damage anything, just to understand how WordPress works, but it's pretty straightforward. So under plugins, I'm going to show you how do we install a new plugin. So let's take a look at. I'm just going to click on plugins here. It takes you to the plugin page where you see manage plugins, and you'll see a list of existing plugins. So we have CForms, Flickr Gallery, which we use to post photos from Flickr. Post Expirator, which allows us to add an expiration date to each post. This way they expire automatically or go to draft automatically. Sociable, which is the tool we use to manage to add a share this link on all of the postings that we have. This way people can share it on Facebook or on Google or on Twitter very easily directly from the website. Ultimate Google Analytics, we use that to manage to get an idea of how much traffic we're getting. And WP Touch iPhone theme. This theme is to help to show you how to actually, I'm sorry, this plugin actually allows you to view this website and optimize it for the iPhone. So if you visit stgeorgephilly.org from an iPhone, you're going to see a different look and feel, and it's going to be optimized for the iPhone platform. And as you can see, WordPress automatically tells you when there's a new version of this plugin available. This is a great feature here. It says that right here. There's a new version of WP Touch iPhone theme available. View version details or upgrade automatically. So we're going to be doing that upgrade in this tutorial also. But let me show you the next step. Let's say we want to add a new plugin. Okay, there's a couple of ways to do this. There's an easy way and there is a more involved way. The easy way involves just going here and clicking on Add New at the top. The hard way involves actually copying the plugin files. So I'm going to show you the first easy way, which is adding new. And if you run into troubles this way because of access rights, you can use the other way. I'm just going to click on Add New here. And there's an interesting plugin called Smooth Slider that we need to install. So I'm just going to type smooth-slider, and I'm just going to search the plugins. And here it is, Smooth Slider, and it just gives you a list of all the plugins currently available. And it gives you a description and a rating. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the install right next to it, and it's going to pop up a window here showing you the description of this and the features in this plugin and the installation process, which will show you how to install it, screenshots of it, which is really great. Here's a screenshot of this plugin. and change log, frequently asked questions, and other notes. I'm just going to click on the install now because this is the straightforward way to do it. And once you do that, you're going to be asked to enter some connection information. WordPress is asking you this. So enter the host name. It's ftp.stgeorgephilly.org. The username is amakar. The password is going to be provided to you. This is our FTP password. Make sure you enter that by hand. Even if there's something in there, just override that and enter it. And the connection type is FTP. And then click on the proceed button here. And it usually takes a little bit of time to complete the installation, but this is great here. You'll see that it says gives you installing plugin. This may take a while depending on how big that plugin is. Sometimes I've had to wait like 15 minutes, so just give it some time until it churns and it installs the plugin. It says installing plugin, and then downloading install package, unpacking the package, installing the package, successfully installed the plugin, Smooth Slider, which is great. At this point, you need to just activate the plugin. That's an important step to make here. So click on activate the plugin to activate it right away. Okay. And that's it. And we have the new plugin. It's now on the website, and you'll see it right here, Smooth Slider. And if you want to deactivate it, you deactivate it right from here. Each plugin typically comes with some settings, and the settings, you'll find them under the settings link here. And for example, you'll see post expirator settings, Smooth Slider right here. That's the one we just installed. Let me just click on that, and sociable. Let me just click on Smooth Slider. And here it is. It just shows you, a list of featured posts, and gives you a lot of other options down here to modify it, which we're going to be doing soon, just to modify the look and feel of this. But that's pretty much it. This is how you install plugins and how you set them up and change their settings. Let me just click back to plugins here. Crucial plugins that we have right today on our website is CForms. CForms number 2 is really a very, very important plugin that we use to create forms, online forms, and I'll create a separate tutorial to show you how to do that, how to use that plugin to create interesting forms. Post expirator is a very important one. Sociable and iPhone theme are also important. This case, I'm going to show you how to upgrade a plugin, and you'll notice here that on the plugins link, there's one next to the plugin, which means there's one plugin that needs upgrading, or needs to be upgraded. So every time you see that, try to make sure the plugins are up to date, but read up about the plugin updates before you make the update, just in case, if you make the update and it breaks something on the site. It's important to read the notes on the update, just to make sure that that new version does not require you to do anything extra before you install it. So in this case, I read the notes. I'm just going to go ahead and upgrade automatically. So I'm going to click on that link. And again, it asks you for the connection information and host name and username and password. I'm just going to retype that.